Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'm going to be trying on this kinky straight headband wig for you guys, and it's from Jessieselection. So before that, I'm just going to do an unboxing video and show you guys everything that came in this package. So this is a 22 inches headband wig, and as you guys can see, the density is very full and soft. So I'm just going to straighten up the wig using this hairbrush. I find kinky straight hair to be very easy to maintain. It doesn't take much effort to get it to look nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to straighten it, like I said, using this hot brush.
You turn me on, now you're taking me all night long.
So after that, I'm just going to lay down my edges using my edge control and this three-sided brush, which I find very easy to lay down edges. And yeah,
boys them just want to party. In a me yard them a throw the party. In a me place them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a boss inna the place. Who like a bad man, other girls them a face. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. Inna the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. Inna the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Let go. It's the original bad man. Original bad man. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Leg up.
so guys, this is how the hair is looking on me with my edges. Honestly, if I go out like this, one would think this hair is actually my hair. As you can see, it looks so natural, full and soft. So like I said before, this hair is from Jessieselection, and I'm going to leave every details of the wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And also please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Bad men are tracking me down. I held them. Bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low, I held them. Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man, they you don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in all the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow.